Have you been wanting to start a t-shirt business, but you just don't know what to do? You're like, everybody says that they're gonna help me do it and they don't, and I'm still confused. Well, I got you. My name is Crystal Lee, and I started my t-shirt business almost 10 years ago with no money. And I've been able to generate multi-six figures with t-shirts. And I love helping other people to do the same. So my free t-shirt class is for you, and it is going to help you to start within the next 24 hours with no inventory and no money. I literally show you how I did it myself. I also talk about how to find your niche. I talk about some different marketing techniques that I use and some different tips and tricks that will work for you. So if you have been putting it off, if you have been like, man, I really want to start this business, but I just don't know what to do, then this free t-shirt class is for you. All right. Thousands of people have taken this class. I actually stopped it and I just relaunched it so it will be available for a limited time only, because I really want for you to get started, right? I really want for you to live your dreams and stop watching other people live theirs. So if any of this sounds like you, I want for you to click the link below. Get started today. I am rooting for you. I'm so excited for you, and I can't wait to see you there.